Hi friends, welcome to another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to download and install VirtualBox onto your PC. For this, first open your favorite browser. Now search for VirtualBox for Windows 10 and hit enter. This is the official site for downloading the VirtualBox. I will leave a link in the description so that you can directly download from there. For Windows, click on this Windows host. A download pop-up will open up and hit on the start download button. The download has been completed. Now locate the download file in your file explorer. I am going to the download section in the file explorer. Here is the download. I have the file in my program section. This is the file. Now right click on this and run it as the administrator. Click on this S button. It is preparing to install. Now click on this next button. Leave these two defaults and click on this next. Just leave these two defaults and click on this next button. This shows that the installation process will temporarily block your internet connections in order to install the virtual network adapter for your VirtualBox. If you all set for this, click on this next button and simply hit this install. The installation process has been completed. Just click on this finish button. That's it. The VirtualBox has been successfully installed on your PC. And if you want to run the new operating system on your VirtualBox, simply click on this new and select the operating system that you want. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this. Like, share, comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel.